ngizozwala ngingakuhloniphi or ngithini, because mengilala nawe sometimes ngimagine lo muntu lo okulesa sithombe engisibukayo ukuthi yazini. At the same time futhi angeke ngiqamba manga ngithi I didn't enjoy it. I did enjoy, but ngisho ngoba ngumuntu nami and sihlonipha abazali ne-society.
So wena kunabanye abantu abamantombazana or partners olala nabo besides her?
Angeke ngisho ukuthi bakhona opartner ngilala nabo because bekusewuyena kuphela umuntu bengisahlangane naye nje ya kule life and bengamchitheli, which bengisazama ukuthi ngiyibone ukuthi ngiphuma or ngifola.
So umuntu wakho uyazana no-Ayanda or abaza babonane, they've never seen each other before?
There was a time la sasiphuma mina nawe I won't mention igama lale club because kuzoba ngathi ngiya-advertise. Do you remember that guy owafika wangibuza wathi uphuzani la Sibuda? That's the one wasithengela amasavana wena wakubuza ukuthi uphuza ini. Ngase ngathi hey mfethu umuntu wami whatever angayiphuza, mina ayiphuzayo uzomthengela nginankinga.
Ngikhumbula indaba yase club, you said something about experiment. Are you experimenting nobani kanjani?
That's the guy ngisho ngimshoyo mfethu ukuthi uyena bengisafuna ukuphusha naye ngibone ukuthi ngibalansa kuphi, mhlambe ngikuwena or ngibantu be.
Who's this guy? This guy is your friend or you guys are
Experiment kana ngami kanjani?
Mfethu bengikuhlonipha, bengafuni ukukubonisa lento ukuthi ngiyayenza, so that's why ngithi bengafuni ukukutshela, benganaso isibindi sokuthi yazini let me come out ngike, and at the same time futhi ngiyakuthanda, so angizazi mfethu ukuthi ngirong ini ngokwenza lento or ngirong mengiyeka, you understand?
Khawazana noNthabiseni, khawazana noPalisa, and then
it's part of experimenting nayo le.
Experimenta ngathi wena kahle kahle.
Hayi ngoba mfethu ngimdelela, ngisho esinsikhathi sifuna ukuprotecta igama lethu kwi-community, so nami bengizama ukufihla ukuthi yazini ngiyajola namathekeni, at the same time nginakho ukubathanda all over.